Hi guys, today we're going to be doing don't press the button. Yeah, well, I'm going to press it. No, don't. Yeah, something bad might happen. Yeah, and plus it's called don't press the button. Listen guys, in total of us, there's 30. It's okay. We're going to all be fine. Let's leave. Yeah, let's leave. I got her. Ooh. Go on. Do. Let's get on the glass panel. Okay. Probably he's gonna do something bad. Oh no. Oh, don't worry. I can fix you. Do you know how? Yes. How? That's not fixing. Ugh. That was easy. Murder. You guys are scared. Bro, I only just killed like one person. And plus, we are gonna die in this game. So no worries. Only one of us can survive. And basically, you're just gonna kill us all. Yeah, we're leaving. If you say so. Meanwhile, I'm gonna press the button. Ow! Nah. Don't. Okay, fine. But we're gonna put glass. Just in case and protect. Glass panel. Do. Freeze. Do. Yeah. So freeze. And the last one. Freeze. Now it's all blocked. Yay! But we'll move just in case. Yeah. Let's go up here. Poor melon is hurt. Yeah, poor melon. Wow. I hurt myself. Whoa. Wow. Protection just in case. Yep, even though we have glass. Ah! Oh. You just broke the glass. Sorry. Now what do we do? Well, we almost have everybody, but some people fell off. That guy can kill us, so leave him alone. Yeah, we demand it. Well, nothing's bad gonna happen. Like, you're just panicking. Wait, what's happening? What's happening? I'm glitching. Behind you? What you mean? Why do I feel something? Ah, wow. Get away. What just happened? Where? Uh-oh, it's back. That was weird. Ah! Oh, all of us fell. Don't press the button. Something might happen. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Survive for 1 minute. What? That pumpkin but curse? Bro, what is that? Pumpkin, listen. It's gonna be alright, okay? It's okay. It's gonna be alright. What? Ow! My feet, he cracked my feet. Oh. Ha, he's useless. G-Man. More. What the? What the?
My action figure.
Is that like 5 more? Yeah, well, melon. You're gonna die. I'll sacrifice myself. No, melon. What? Get away! My feet is for protection. Just one more to go, and I'll do this. Come here. That's right. No! Bro, sacrifice! No! So what do we do now? Yeah. Let's just not press the button. Let me try pressing the button. No. Ow. Let's press it. No, don't press it. If something happens, then we're gonna die. And I hate you. What? Come on. What? Didn't you see many of us died? Bro, listen. We went up to... Basically, we went up to 30 to 22 melons. We're not gonna die because of you. There's literally 22. The 22nd one is you. Well, since you were being rude, I'ma just press it. No. You serious? You just press the button and now look where you are. Took a war. Huh? Thanks to you. Yeah. Hopefully he gets killed. Well, I'm stronger than you, so it doesn't really matter. 3, 2, 1, go. So easy. I wasn't using my full strength, so. How's he stronger? Whoa. Help me. Please. I don't want to die. Well, womp. I forgot I had scissors, so I can only use it once. No. Oh. Alright, so now we're gonna need to kill 10 of us. So, guess we've cut on 3, 2, 1. Pull, guys, pull.
It's kind of hard to take a loss because 48 teams got eliminated.
Pull. Ow. Pull. No, pull. Listen, I don't want to be hanged. Whoa, sorry, pull. Ooh. My own people foofy. Yeah, want. Well, that made me blind. You know what to do. Pull. 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 Ah. Ah. Listen, we don't want to die. Well, goodbye. No. That was easy. Yeah. What? How? We survived. Oh. Wait, what? I'm so alive. Oh my god. That was so crazy. Can't believe that happened. Well, we won tug of war. Yay. I don't have anyone to rip with. Oh. Watch out. Anyways, let's go. Alright, it's just us. I'm bored. Yeah. It's been a few hours lately. I feel like pressing the button. Wait, no, don't press it. Yeah. What did you... Whoa. What's this? I'll go in there.
Standard.
I'll come with you.
11 or 12:40. 9, 10.
Let's go.
What would you do? Oh. I said 9, 10, 11 or 12:40.
No, I gotta kick you out.
You want to go right up the road?
Whoa.
Around it.
Ow.
Yeah, that way.
Let me go. Whoa. This looks amazing. Really? Let me see. Wow.
Because like that, but then if we want, we can go eat.
Just taking the stairs.
No,
Wait, what do you mean we should have taken the stairs? Go in. I'm trying my best.
Aiden, why did you say Papa? Thank you to Papa for doing
Thank you.
Yep, I put up with you guys in the line.
Are you guys okay? No.
I don't know, I just give them baby oil.
Well,
Penelope gonna give Papa a baby oil.
what's that mean?
No, it's fine.
You're gonna step your...
Oh my god. So lift me up. Why is there dead bodies here? Anyways. Oh. What happens if I go into it? It's terrible. Okay. Wow. Well, let's go to the top. Whoa. What? Please don't.
What?
Because I need something. You're just burning my skin because
Whoa. Ow. Wait, no. Oh. 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 Let's never do the elevator. Oh. What about the... There's only a little bit of... Yeah. Only 5 more. What could possibly happen? Nothing will happen like the abstract or the pumpkin god. Nothing like that's gonna happen. I mean, it already happened. So what will happen? Let's press it. No! Whoa, glisten melon. Oh, that's what we are. What does it say there? Knife? Wait a second. That means... Ah! Speak your manners. What's your manager? You're next. Oh, not on my watch. Oh. I'll sacrifice since I'm gonna die anyway. Yeah. No, don't kill us. I'm coming for the rescue. It's right. But not for long. Survive without me. And you can win. I need to heal. Oh. No! Why? Why? No! Come on, he just saved our lives. Now what do we do? The button will have a chance to escape. But to press that button, you need to do 2 of these blade traps. To do it, and try to dodge it. Because if you don't, you die. I was supposed to die. There's no like blood trap. Ah! Whoa! Whoa! Wow. Go ahead in your head. Whoa. Wait, what did I press? Whoa. Wait, did I win the game? Oh, yay! But I missed all the people that I met. Why? Why? Oh, never play it ever again. Ah! Ah! Will.